The second of these pronoun lessons covers prepositional pronouns. The prepositional pronouns starting off with the singular pronouns are me, ti, the informal version of you, él, him, ella, her, usted, the formal version of you. The plural pronouns are nosotros, nosotras, the masculine and feminine forms of us, vosotros, vosotras, the masculine and feminine forms of the informal version of you, ellos, ellas, the masculine and feminine forms of them, ustedes, the formal version of you. And you should notice that most prepositional pronouns are identical to the subject pronouns, with the exceptions of me and ti. Prepositional pronouns usually follow prepositions. El regalo es para ti. Ellos hablan de nosotros. Yo camino con ellos. In the third person, the pronoun si will be used if the subject and object are the same person or reflexive. Él solo trabaja para sí. In this case, the subject and object, he and himself, refer to the same person. The pronouns are used reflexively, therefore allowing us to use the prepositional pronoun si. When followed by mi, ti, or si, the preposition con will turn into conmigo, contigo, or consigo. Él quiere trabajar conmigo. Yo quiero trabajar contigo. Él no está contento consigo. The prepositional pronouns mi and ti are not used with the following phrases: entre, excepto, salvo, menos, incluso, and según. Instead, we use the subject pronouns yo and tú to replace mi and ti when using these phrases. No hay ningún problema entre tú y yo. Todos irán a la fiesta, incluso tú. And with that, we have covered the basics of prepositional pronouns. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.